Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. I want to make a video and just show you about this really cool item this company sent me to do a review on. So that's what this is all about. So what this is basically, it looks like a flag, but it's not. You basically hang it on the wall and it becomes almost like a scenery. It's just like a scenery, something you would see in a play or a show or something like that. So not gonna tell you what it is. I'm gonna surprise you at the end. So stay tuned to the end of the video. And I'm gonna show you how it looks. I'm gonna hang it up and see if you can guess as I'm opening up to see what you can see what it is. So this is how I got it. This is how they sent it to me like this here. And let me open this up here. Let me take it out of the package and just show you what's in the package. So what's in the package is some string and some, it looks like a flag, but it's not. It's got grommets on it, so you can tie it up. And it's an actual scene. It's a scene you would use in like a play, a movie, a kid's room. Really fun, really kind of cute, but it's made out of like a vinyl. It's all printed on it, the whole thing all over it. Nice quality. Really nice quality. This is going to last a lifetime. This is great for a kid's playroom. If you're doing a cosplay, if you're doing a show or something, this is going to come really handy. And what this is here, these are the strings here. So if you want to tie it up, you can. They give you plenty of string here. You cut off what you need. That way you can just set up on your stage, your prop, or in your home, the kid's playroom, whatever it may be. That's what it is. So I'm going to hook this up. I'm going to put this together. I'm going to hang it up. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Stay tuned. You're going to love the way this looks.
Okay, guys, so here we go. Here's the big reveal. I'm going to show you what it is. You won't believe what it is, but it is an old English phone booth door cover. You can cover a door, you can hang it in the wall, you can do whatever you want with this thing. This thing is quite awesome. The size is 78.7 inches by 35.4. It's made out of like a flag material, but it's really kind of cool and different. So you can hang this on a door, you can hang this in a room, you can hang this in your child's room. If you're setting up anything whatsoever, I just taped it to the wall. It's not heavy at all. It sticks beautiful, and it's just so cool looking. Now I'm going to give you a vertical shot in 1 second, so stay tuned for that. But this thing is really nice. I love the way it's made. I love the quality. So this is what it looks like full size, right? So this looks awesome, right? So that's kind of cool. Your kids are going to love this. You're going to love this. You know, if you have a play date or playtime or playroom, or if you're setting up even a scene or anything else whatsoever, it is a sturdy material. It's made really, really well. I absolutely love it. I love it. I highly recommend this. Again, the company did send this to me. Easy to use, one large section. Absolutely easy to apply. An English phone booth. I just love it. You can use it as a banner. You can hang it. It's just a really cool theme for a children's room, just birthday parties, special events, school, corporate events, or anything at all. This thing is just so versatile and so cool. All right, guys, that's what I have for you today. Hope you enjoyed the video. I definitely highly recommend this. It's just a lot of fun in a little bag. Hope you enjoyed.